And here's what we are breaking to you on the Kathua rape and murder case. While hearing the plea of witnesses alleging police torture, the Supreme Court has said that there should not be ill treatment of their persons. Why are witnesses being treated like this? So clearly, again, a very big question on witness protection coming up here again. The Supreme Court has made these observations, which we are playing out on your screens. Why are witnesses being treated as accused? Relative shall accompany the witness. The witnesses should not be harassed in any manner. So the Supreme Court coming down heavily in this case on the police torture of witnesses. And that is the allegation that is being made in the Kathua rape and murder case. Witnesses allege police torture, something that has come to the notice of the Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court has now made a very strong indictment saying that this is not acceptable. Meenakshi, over to you for the latest.
Afrida, again, the Kathua case comes in for scrutiny. And like you correctly referred to, this time around, why this has come in for scrutiny is because the witnesses, the three purported Kathua witnesses, have alleged police torture. They have gone on to say as to how they are BSc agriculture students. And the Supreme Court has wanted to understand from the police, Jammu and Kashmir police, as to why these purported witnesses are being treated like accused. And alongside, the Supreme Court has also ordered for a relative of these three witnesses who will be accompanying them to the police station if need be, and will keep themselves away at a reasonably visible distance while the Jammu Kashmir police conduct their business with these witnesses. And categoric observation also coming in from the Supreme Court that there should be no ill treatment of these three.
Right, and the Supreme Court has very rightly asked this question, why witnesses are being treated like accused. Now, this again, once again, raises the larger issue, Meenakshi, of witness protection in this country. We've seen so many of these high-profile cases of witnesses turning hostile, witnesses being bumped off. So clearly, this is a raging issue that has come to the notice of the Supreme Court once again.
Well, absolutely, Afrida. We have seen several discussions on the subject from time to time. And this is a country which is governed by the Constitution, not just witnesses. Remember, we are a nation which where the Constitution even goes on to bestow rights on the accused persons as well. So yes, indeed, witness protection is a grave area of concern. And yet again, the Supreme Court is stepping in to sort of like assuage the concerns of all sides. Our viewers will recall the Supreme Court has provided this blanket of protection to the victim as well, victim's family and the victim's lawyers and representatives. And now, of course, the witnesses coming out and alleging torture is also something which is a matter of grave concern. And the Supreme Court has been constrained to step in this instance as well.
Right. So J&K police under the scanner for allegations of torture of witnesses in the Kathua rape and murder case. Meenakshi, thanks for joining us.